at the clause number 7.0, the process requirement means the actual inspection agency means the operational personnel. It directly linked with the operational personnel. So here you can say that the first is 7.1 review of request tenders and contract. Under this, as we discussed earlier, the particular clause review of request tenders and contract is separate requirement which are introduced with respect to 2012 version, which was not there in the earlier version. Here, it focuses on the review of request, tenders, and contract received from the client for the inspection. And we need to ensure that this review is carried out and completed before acceptance of the inspection activities or before commencing the inspection work. So this is all about the clause number 7.1. Then clause number 7.2 talks about the inspection methods and procedure. Again, as usual, this clause is shifted from clause number 7. Earlier, it was clause number 7 of 2012 version, which is shifted to clause number 7.2 due to introduction of clause number 7 as a review of request, tenders, and contract. This clause is basically focuses on the selection of the inspection method as well as the technology-based method introduction. Validation of the non-standard inspection method is specifically emphasis on the new standards. So we need to ensure that whenever there is a non-standard methods are used, so we need to ensure that those are validated and data of the validations are there, because here new technology, use of the digital platform, use of the AI-based inspection, everything is introduced. So definitely the validation is the more important according to the clause number 7.2 as far as 2026 version is concerned. Then again, the handling of test item, there is no change, only shifting of the particular clause from 7.2 to 7.3, which focuses on the handling and protection of the item during the item is under the custody of inspection body. Under the custody means it is not like that whenever you receive item for the inspection at your premises. At your premises also, as well as when you conduct inspection at site also. So when you are conducting inspection at site, the particular product is under your custody. So at that time, you need to take care and ensure that not going to affect. Next is a clause number 7.4 about the inspection record. So under the inspection record, again, this clause, which was earlier in 7.3, but now it is shifted to 7.4. And now it is focusing on the inspection record for the defined detention period. So it was there earlier also. So same way, we need to ensure that the inspection records are maintained with the traceability of the person who has conducted it, etc., etc. This is the newly introduced clause, control of the data information. So newly introduced requirements talks about the system of control of data and the information collected, means whatever information you are collecting as a part of the inspection, obtained and processed as a part of the inspection activity. So for this particular activity, we should have a documented system and need to ensure that it is done in a proper manner to maintain the inspection integrity. The next clause is talking about the inspection report and the certificate, means at the end of the inspection, you are going to issue the inspection report or inspection certificate to the client. So here, this particular clause is just shifted from clause number 7.4 to clause number 7.6. Here, no changes in the requirement about the reporting, means what are the content of your inspection reports. Optional requirements are shifted in the Annexure B. So in earlier standard, there was so many requirements for the part of the reporting requirement, but now in this, they have limited some requirement, and the optional requirement, which is to be reported as a part of the customer requirement, as a legal requirement, or as a part of the inspection method requirement, those are covered under the Annexure B. So number 7.6. The next is about the clause number 7.7, handling of appeal. Appeal is separated. So complaint and appeal are separated with respect to the earlier standard. Here they talks about to prepare or to document the process of the appeal handling and to make it publicly available. So it means that your appeal handling procedure or process must be made available to the public. So whenever any client is coming to you for the inspection or inquiring about the inspection, at that time you have to inform them about the provision for the appeal. That is the requirement under this clause number 7.7. Clause number 7.8, handling of complaint, just to document the process of the complaint handling and to make again publicly available, same as handling of